to stop recording. Bye. This is the end of the video. Okay, guys, it's not the end of the video. I still have the Cheeto in my mouth. Guilty free. Okay, guys, let's go on to the intro. I didn't even do my. Welcome back to my channel, Show My CURIT CAPILI. So, guys, it's my sister's birthday, and we're unboxing her gifts now. So, let's get started. First birthday with my whole family, guys. So this is how we're gonna celebrate it, you guys. So let's go.
One, two, three, four. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Michelle. May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God, may the Lord God, may the Lord God bless you. Yay! Happy first birthday, Michelle. Okay, what's your wish? Your wish is to be more healthy and more birthday to come. She wants to eat now. Okay, help her, Charmaine. Blow the candle. Oh!
Blow the candle, baby. Oh, get ano? Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Oh.
Chocolate.
Get it.
Sige na, get it. Ha, tunaw na.
Tunaw na.
Yeah.
Hindi na maano. Yay! Lamutakin mo na.
Huwag mo naman. Yummy, dali, eat.
Yay!
Matikman mo. Oh, yan na.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
To my channel. So guys, we just time-lapsed forward to Sunday. But guys, here I'm wearing a different shirt, you guys, and you still see this with Cheetos. Okay, stop. Anyways, guys, it's my sister's birthday, guys, and first of all, she didn't get to open her gifts. Doing. But second of all, you guys, we just didn't show ourselves eating like my birthday, guys. But guys, we're just gonna open my baby sister's gifts because it's too late. Whoa! Alright, guys, let's go. Alright, guys, so we are here now. Time-lapsed again. All viewers like Charmaine, stop time-lapsing. But anyways, you guys, we're going to open my baby sister's gift. Oh, she found more gifts first. Baby, can I please have that? I'm gonna open it for you. Okay. She's holding that one. Oh, she's holding that one. So you wanna open that first, okay? Baby, that doesn't go there, please. Oh, guys, sorry about that, but guys, oh my god. Oh, ding. Guys, can you hear this? Guys, I'm going to take the scissors. Ding. But guys, we're gonna open this first. I look super duper excited. Although she's holding another gift, which is mine. So guys, this is from Amazon Prime, you guys. I would recommend recommend you guys to order your things at Amazon too, because I just ordered something from Amazon today, guys. So let's open this thing. I'm like, alright guys, baby. Oh my god. She's happy. Baby, look, we have this. I'll help you unbox it. What? Guys, she's conquering inside. But guys, let's not, guys. So here we have, this is the front, you guys. The back. It's called Toy or Toy. I don't know, guys. But then let's read it. Okay, here. Washing instructions. Stamps when it's okay, guys, we're done with the information, guys. Let me open it. Let me be careful, okay? No, don't go here. Open that. Okay, doing. Anyways, you guys, let's open this. Dale. Baby, go. Baby, look! Let's open it, guys. I am shook. Oh my.
Wow.
Wow, you guys! This is the number.
Pakita mo kay baby. Baby, bigyan mo na sa kanya.
You can have this. Oh my god. Guys, and baby, it's a deer. Deer. Then guys, see, we have baby. You left your books on surprise. So if you don't want your books, I'm gonna show them to the viewers now. So guys, the one that we just opened are the animals, you guys. Then the other one, the first one, was numbers. Guys, I also noticed something very squishy here. Then, yeah, you can have these maybe. So then guys, we have a vegetable one maybe, which comes with a bookmark or whatever it's called. Baby, look, there's vegetables. This is orange pepper. I don't know, guys. So, oh, we have sea animals. Right? We have sea animals. This thing isn't squishing about. Baby, look, turtle, fishy. It is babies, but okay. So this is the fruits. Yep, guys, this is the fruits one, guys. And it's juwap. Baby, that's not the toy, but see, those are the fruits, guys. The last one is the country things. That's a vehicle, airplane. Yeah, like some. Guys, I think baby is excited. Oh my gosh. This is an avalanche, you guys. Oh my gosh. Sorry if you think I'm trying to hurt my sister. I'm not, guys. She's just... Alright, guys, let's move. This is not the box. So stop doing that, please, baby. Alright, guys, the next gift, and she's conquering the box. Guys, I just want to tell you a quick fact. My sister doesn't really like these things. She likes things that are unusual, that has to be thrown away. But she likes that box, like we're gonna have to keep going with that. Anyways, guys, the next gift. Okay. I think she wants the bag. Oh, stop. Alright, guys, so the next gift is this, you guys. I'm not pretty sure how to open it. I'm just gonna keep my process doing. Guys! Oh my god! Baby. Doing. Guys, look at this! This is so amazing, you guys. Baby, look. Baby. Alright, you guys. So, Guys, it's like some sort of cool card case, guys. The cards are soft. Obviously, she's a baby. But guys, we're gonna have to open this. Wow, guys, it comes with its own case, guys. Guys, wow, it comes with its own personal case, you guys. Sorry, guys, I felt something sharp in my mouth. I was scared that moment. Guys, I don't think this opens. I think this is open. Guys, let's zip this. She's not watching. It's my birthday. Guys, there's so many cards in here. Baby. Guys, look, there's the alphabet. Oh, look. Oh. Octopus. Guys, she's really in the box right now. And next. Guys, this is for ABCs. Somehow she got the cat tag with the whole thing. Guys, here we have the ABCs, guys. Can I have this? Alright, guys, there's so many cards. Let's make it rain. Let it raining cards. Guys, it's writing presents for her. Okay. Guys, this is the last gift. So, guys, we're going to go into the last gift. So, guys, she's staying like that. Alright, guys, so let's move the scissors. Dun, 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 dun. Guys, this is so big. Guys, watch. It's hard to get out myself. You know what? Let's dump it out. Oh my god. Alright, guys, so for some reason the other light turned on. It's on an automatic thing, which I don't know how it's on. But guys, we have the package. I'm opening it and struggling once again. I don't know how to open packages. I'll say Guys, she took off her crown. I don't know. Maybe starting to get itchy. But guys, I opened it already. Dun 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 dun. Baby! Oh! Baby, look! Oh my gosh, guys, look! It's like baby learning table lights and sounds. Baby, look at it! It comes with shapes. It comes with animals, shapes, colors, light, and musical. Play with it. Okay, let's open it, you guys. Okay. Guys, I've opened it. Now let's see it. Baby! Oh, there's another. Baby, look! Baby, look! There's like, guys, I want to show you guys first because this is my video. Guys, so my sister wants to see it somehow, so I'm just going to do like this. So guys, it comes with this cool thing. I don't know how it works. Maybe it's like a siren for these, for like a police. Then the do, re, mi, fa, like something like that. So let's get
Wait.
Guys, somehow my dad came at the moment. I think he's embarrassed. I don't know. But guys, so far we have it unboxed. There's a guitar of some sort, and this is a dog.
Maybe you have to put battery.
Yeah, you have to put.
Wala pang battery.
Yeah, let's put battery.
Then guys, here we
Wait. Paano mo muna
Baby, come on. Bear! This is a bear! Lemon, kiwi. Alright, you guys. Alright, guys. This is going to be
She's
the end of the
happy.
video, you guys. Baby, let's have a party! Look! Socks!
Oh, say thank you. Ano sasabihin, anak? Michelle?
Oh wait, guys, we forgot my board boot. Okay, guys, so sorry. This is gonna be about to be the end of the video. But guys, we forgot one this. So guys, here's the gift, you guys. It has different types of. This is her. This is her as well. This is her an emoji. This is her as a rainbow corn. Guys, I got a rainbow corn on my birthday, so when we open it, oh wait, I forgot to put all this. So it says happy birthday, and then some cool hearts. Radiant effect. So guys, it's pretty hard to open because of the tape. But guys, when you open it,
Ay, baka naman pukpukin.
alright you guys, so she's having fun so far, and now I still forgot about my gift. So guys, you open it up, we have this. This is you! Okay, good. So guys, there's nothing else in here, but when we open, guys, wow! Let's check out the card. Baby, look. There's so many cards in here for you. Let's open this, baby. We open this. We open this. Wow! Okay, guys, I drew this with a lot of my effort, guys. This is my baby sister, guys. So she has these kind of eyes. I just wanted to create the real type of eyes you have. It's not completely white. I just wanted to create those type of eyes. They turned out to be just red. So, yeah, you guys. Then now we have this one, you guys. Here, it's a drawing of, that's the shell. That's the seats that you recognize from the birthday. The tablecloth. The AC, you can't really see it.
Love you guys.
Dad trying to show up in front of the viewers. Oh, love you guys. Thank you. Guys, so we have this drawing. But inside we have the dollhouse. It's a dollhouse. You know what? I miss it. Oh, you should on the couch. So guys, it's something like that. But yeah. But guys, she has more gifts. So guys, this is, oh my gosh, why did you throw this? Alright guys, this is going to be the end of the video.